Let's make a charcoal dosa. Yeah, it's black in color, pitch black with some cheese. We make two types, one is a bubble waffle. If you have a bubble waffle or a normal waffle, you can make a dosa out of it. And our traditional, flat crepe style dosa made with edible charcoal. The charcoal is got from the ash of vegetables. So try at home, it's good, antioxidant too. Enjoy. So now we got the idli or dosa batter. It's nicely fermented, thick batter. I'm adding half a teaspoon of charcoal powder, edible charcoal powder. You can buy online, just Google it where you can find it. You can make it. How you can make it is, the vegetable, you can burn it to really charcoal color, then powder it. Ideally, the best one to use is leeks. So I had added a half teaspoon more, so it's all total 1 teaspoon of charcoal for a 3 ladle in the sense 3 of 30 gram each, because I need a nice black rather than a grey color. So we're making the filling for chili cheese dosa. That's a chili cheese charcoal dosa. The dosa will be black in color, so I'm putting some cheese. Machochara you can use, chili chopped or fine slice like this, and then onions chopped, some coriander. I prefer breaking the coriander rather than chopping it up. It gives more flavor and you get a mouthfeel. Now mix it. You don't have to put salt. There is enough salt in the cheese. That's good enough. So now after resting for 15 minutes, the charcoal is nicely melted. It's really pitch black in color. Okay, now for the waffle iron is hot. I'm just applying a touch of clarified butter, that is a ghee. And now quickly I'm going to pour it. Just spread it. Okay, everywhere, all the pockets. So now quickly put in the cheese, the onion mixture, inside the pockets. So now just drizzle it on each of the cheese, so it just seal it up when we cook it. So if you have a squeezy bottle, you can put the batter in the squeezy bottle, so it will make it easy for you. So now close it and cook it for 3 minutes. So now open it and check it whether it's done. Yeah, some of the cheese came out, that's fine. Still it's nicely crispy and the pockets are soft. So now slowly lift it up. Just put it on a chopping board. Now we can trim it off. So to present it, just trim the sides. Yeah, that's good enough. Now we can go by, not to cut the pockets, but just like this. Okay, if you cut it, you can see the cheese oozy melting. Okay, that's good enough. So now place in a nice bowl, nice charcoal bubble dosa. Sprinkle a bit of gunpowder, the South Indian gunpowder, and that's ready. A nice snack and a bar snack or a starter appetizer. Brilliant. Alright, so when you don't have a bubble waffle, you can use a normal dosa tawa or dosa pan, flat one. Make sure it's really hot. Put the dosa, batter, just go easy. So now add in the cheese and the onion green chili mixture. Just put it in some oil on the top, or even ghee you can use. Let it cook crispy. Just press it. So ensure it's removed from all the sides and then slowly start rolling nicely. So just leave it there to get it crispy also. So now let's plate the charcoal dosa, what you can make at home. Okay, nice roll. Keep the hot side on the top like this. Now I got some cheese cut into strips, so it will just melt away because of the heat. Just keep it like this. So now some chili. You can use Holland chilies. So you can see the cheese is slightly melted down. So that's it. You can present it. If you want to put some gunpowder on the top, you can sprinkle it. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. This is Bobby Geetha, and subscribe if you didn't subscribe. Click the bell icon and watch other videos. You will learn amazing techniques what we use in the restaurants or international restaurants or hotels. I'm happy to give you more techniques. Give me your feedbacks in the comment below. Thank you.